let's take a look at this example. Okay, and we have ammeter connected to the circuit. Okay, on the ammeter we see that I total is equal 0.016 amps, which is equal 16 milliamps. Okay, so this is my total current, and I have 4 resistors. Okay, every one of them is labeled R, 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 R. So it means that all those resistors are the same. They have the same value. So let me find the value of these resistors by finding total resistance first. So R total is equal V1 over I total. Okay, so other words, voltage source divided by I total. V1 is equal 16 volts over 16 milliamps. Okay, this is equal 1 kilo. Okay, for those of you who do not see that, okay, if you are not seeing that, let me show you how to do this on the calculator. We have 16 divided by 16 exponent -3. Okay, so this is equal 1 kilo. Okay, 1 kilo. So total resistance is equal 1 kilo. Do you remember we used the formula for the total resistance of the parallel circuit when the values of the resistors are the same, and the formula looked like this: R over N. Okay, so we have to find value of R, because R total we have already. We know how many resistors we have, so we have 4 resistors, so we have to find value of R. In order to find value of R, I have to, let me copy this down, I have to eliminate the fraction. In order to eliminate fraction, I have to multiply both sides equation by N. N and N will cancel out. So R is equal N times R total, where N is equal 4 times R total, which is equal 1 kilo. This is equal 4 kilo ohms. Okay, so value of each resistor in my circuit is equal 4 kilo ohms, and this is my solution.